In this method, we will plant a pepper plant, but the same technique works perfectly for other vegetables such as tomatoes, eggplants, and many more. It is a simple, effective, and highly productive approach that not only improves soil fertility, but also helps manage kitchen waste in a natural and eco-friendly way. To start, choose a suitable spot in your garden where the plant can receive plenty of sunlight. Once the location is selected, clearly mark the planting area. Next, create a circular trench around the marked spot. Dig a shallow yet slightly deep trench, neither too wide nor too deep, but enough to hold organic kitchen waste. This trench will act as a natural feeding zone, where organic material will slowly decompose and enrich the soil over time. After preparing the trench, dig a planting hole in the center. Place the pepper plant carefully into the hole, ensuring the roots are well spread and not bent or cramped. The plant should sit comfortably in the center with enough space to grow outward. Now comes the key step, adding kitchen waste. Collect organic waste such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and crushed eggshells, and place them into the circular trench. Avoid adding plastic, oily waste, or any non-biodegradable material. This organic matter will gradually break down and act as a slow-release fertilizer, continuously feeding the plant. Once the trench is filled, cover the waste with a layer of compost or soil. This helps retain moisture, prevents unpleasant odors, and speeds up decomposition. Gently press the soil to stabilize it, but avoid compacting it too tightly. Keep the plant slightly lower, about 1 inch below the surrounding soil level, to improve water retention. One of the biggest advantages of this method is efficient water management. The slightly lower planting area naturally collects water during irrigation or rainfall, helping the plant stay hydrated for longer periods, especially in hot weather. The trench acts like a mini reservoir, slowly releasing moisture back into the soil. After completing the setup, water the plant thoroughly. Pour water gently around the base so it reaches both the roots and the trench area. This helps settle the soil, activates microbial activity, and ensures strong root contact. Over time, the buried kitchen waste will decompose with the help of earthworms and beneficial microbes, turning into rich organic matter. This provides a continuous supply of nutrients without the need for chemical fertilizers, resulting in healthier and more productive plants. Additionally, this method improves soil quality over time. The soil becomes softer, richer, and better at retaining moisture, while microbial activity increases. It is an excellent long-term solution for sustainable gardening. In conclusion, the circular trench planting method is a powerful yet simple technique that combines planting, composting, and water conservation into one system. By using kitchen waste as a natural fertilizer and creating a moisture-retaining structure, you can achieve healthier plants and higher yields for peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, and many other crops.